Okay, I'm going to show you in this video why batoning is not the greatest of tests for a knife. This is just an old knife I got out of the drawer, Farberware, F-A-R-B-E-R-W-A-R-E. Okay, it's made in China. I didn't sharpen it, didn't do nothing to it. And if you're wondering, yeah, it's a little bent because I was just practicing earlier just to see if it would actually work. Let's go ahead and show you. Remember, this is just a knife I got out of the kitchen drawer right before I started making this video. Trying to find a nice piece of grain to go with. There's a big chunk. As you can see, you can pretty much baton with any knife, even your kitchen knife. Okay, I want to show you a different suggestion on how to get small pieces to start your fire. Enter the tree branch. Notice small pieces, bigger pieces. Now, Mother Nature has gave you the power to just increase your fire one bigger piece at a time. So I hope this helps you understand why batoning probably really ain't necessary. I mean, maybe it's some extreme condition, maybe. But then again, I mean, if you come across wet wood, you can just take your knife, a good knife, and just whittle it down till you hit the dry wood. Mother Nature pretty much already provided you the sources to start a fire, and I pretty much just proved to you that any knife you can baton with. I mean, it's pretty simple. I'm going to put this under my knife and multi-tool reviews. I'll have a link to all those in the description box. As always, thank you for watching.